My name is Carmen Rodríguez, and I recently defended my PhD thesis in KU Leuven under the title Unraveling the Role of Social Innovation in Fire-Prone Territories in the Mediterranean. The field of wildfires is not short in innovations. As wildfire risk rises across the world, the market is being flooded with new technologies, ranging from new applications of artificial intelligence, sensors for early detection, drones, to different types of software. Millions are being invested in trying to find the right solution to wildfires, and yet we're farther away from ever from it. Some are even starting to talk about the wildfire crisis. The research here presented broadens the focus of the wildfire conversation and questions whether we're looking for solutions in the right places. What if we're not? This is the starting point of this work. We suggest alternative pathways towards innovation through the concept of social innovation and by placing societal needs at the center of the conversation. In so doing, we shift the focus from wildfires and the flames and the emergency to the people, their needs, and their desired futures. And while keeping in mind the importance of emergency management, we embrace the fact that wildfires do not occur in a vacuum, but they occur in territories shaped by highly complex socio-ecological relationships. As a consequence, wildfires can be understood as a territorial issue, as a product of the spatial and temporal evolutions of these territories where they occur. By exploring these ideas in real-life settings, this thesis shows that resilience is not a state, but a process, that over-specialization leads to lock-ins and prevents innovation from happening, and that there is no need for a major disaster to occur to trigger innovation. We need to encourage a constant flux of new ideas in the margins in order for the right one to be mainstreamed at the right time, in the right place.